Good morning, DJ. It's Friday, June 13th. Time is currently 9:14 a.m. We're a little bit early today, ain't we? 1 minute early, we'll take that. Anyway, it's Friday, so you already know what it is, DJ. I woke up at 7:58 today. Arrived at my desk at 9:11 or 9:10, I would say. As always, my weekly target is 5%. Won't be hitting it this week, but I know in the upcoming weeks, maybe by Q3, or Q3 is next month, shit. In Q3, potentially I should be hitting the targets. If not Q3, definitely Q4, for sure. But yeah, in Q3, I think after that, after July, August, August not really good, but anyway, whatever. I'm not trying to time anything. I'll get there when I get there. But anyway, daily target is $500. Mental check-in, feeling generally okay. Excited to see what price action has in. Oh, it's $35 now. Excited to see what price action has in store for us. Excited to grow and get 1% better. Risk disclaimer: I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. News. We have medium impact news at 10 o'clock. Is high impact on Forex Factory. But we have news today regardless, so it makes it an optimal day to take a trade. Obviously, we'll just be here for the morning session. Risk going into today is 3 and 5, all right? 5 for pro trend trades in its zone, okay, and 3 for counter trend trades. 3 also for pro trend trades outside of the zone, outside of its zone, right? So, weekly program was a buy program going into this week. From what price action is saying, it might not even end bullish though, but I'm still gonna elect to remain with it. But let's go ahead and review price action overnight to see what's been going on. Dollars retracing. Okay, we hit monthly liquidity low. Okay, so seeing a bit of a retracement back into the range here. Coming into this volume imbalance with CB. Let's see how price behaves here in keeping price lower. MNQ tanked last night. That 4-hour sell. Remember, I was saying we closed above this. I wanted to see if we take the high, then I want to see this invert price. But obviously came inside the order block. Respected mean threshold, meaning there was no body closures above mean threshold. All right. The wicks do the damages, the bodies tell the story. Okay, respected mean threshold. All right, and then tanked like a motherfucker. But yeah, 4-hour sell there, which we noticed yesterday, but we wanted to see, what price would do, but incredible. But yeah, so as you can see clearly, unless today we get some, one of these things going up here, we're definitely closing bearish, but I'm still gonna elect to stick with my pro trend trades being buys, being a buy program. Okay, obviously this a retracement. I might want to, if you look at price action on the 4-hour, daily, and weekly, there's no inefficiencies in price action here until you get here on the 4 and the daily, the weekly, the daily and the weekly as well, until we get to what this portion of price action here. That's the next inefficiency. So price might want to liquidate all these sell sides, all right, into this inefficiency, and then potentially continue its uptrend to come and take these relative equal highs, but there's still my draw on liquidity. So yeah, that's my perspective. That's what I'm anticipating. But obviously I'm still new to the higher time frame and stuff. Is going to take a little bit of time, but that's my prediction going into the upcoming weeks. I might want to come into a discount of the 20-day range. Still would be in a premium of the 60-day, I believe. 60-day. Yep, yeah, will still be in a premium, but will be in a discount premium of the 60-day. But yeah, so that's what I'm seeing here in price action here. No inefficiencies, just liquidity. It could take these liquidity and then continue higher. Doesn't have to come down into this inefficiency here, but this is the next inefficiency I see in price. But yeah, even though I could potentially be wrong on my weekly bias, still gonna elect to stick with it really and truly. So let's get on with it then. Let's get it on. London high, same. London low, same. Asia, same. Asia, buy side, same. So let's go ahead and knock it out. 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. And 2. Even though I won't be trading it, I'm still going to need it for my journal, so I might as well get it done now. You know? Plus, I have time. 7 minutes. Got plenty of time. I've been searching for you, baby, all night. You know, I didn't think I'd be online. Oh, wow. Might get some tunes going in a second here. Just because it's Friday the 13th. Guess who's playing Jason? I wonder how Friday the 13th started. Like, what's that about? Like, what's the story behind that? I've been searching for you, baby, all night. I didn't think I'd be online. The seat position surrounded by the thing is likely rooted in a combination of religious and social events. $13.07. Oof. So some of it is based on Jesus and the Last Supper with 13 people, and the rest of Knight Templar on Friday, October 30, making it bad luck. Hmm. Okay. You learn something new every day, innit? This night, I've been searching for you, baby, all night.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. GWF. Bluetooth connected.
Now you think they gonna be online? Currently listening to Rugo, his new album. Blown Boy. Are you? Root? Root to the world. Call me an angel, there's no angel in this. Hey, if you hear anything in the background there, I do not own the rights to the songs playing, alright? I don't want no problems. I'm a non-living thing. Mm. We got less than 2 minutes to opening bell, and we kick off here. For last session, well, last session for me anyway, of the week. We're currently in the premium of the range. It's the only buy side we got here. To London. We have Asia above it. Faster Friday. We're kicking off, baby. We're kicking off. Let's see what the gap is saying. So above price, okay, so we gap down, discount gap. All right. Breaking out dealing range to the buy side. Well, we'll be on the trade if see a trade here. Why is this here? What is happening? That's why I draw this shit out. I'll shoot you before you kill me. Can't choose to run away. Oh, with the problem when you stay. Head into Asia. Shoot you before you kill me. You can't choose to run away. Kind of encouragement is like right in the middle of the because the encouragement of the open range gap is crazy. So likely draw. And it's right above Asia buy side into this inefficiency. It's technically a buy here. Swing low, kilo. But I'm not interested in some madness in the stock. Up for anybody, for any shoddy. Two, 3, 4. I don't want it to take that high before I get in. No, I'll have to think twice about that trade. Up for anybody. Top for any shoddy. I'm bummed on a 1 minute. What's the low? 350.
Order filled.
Okay, all right. Don't worry about it. It's just your right to be free. $8.50. Yeah. Beer and gambling. I accept the risk here, 271. Let me draw that way. GSS window. I did see that time limit. I might just type this slide in the ability to go and vibrate. If a nigga ain't right and corrupted, everybody knew for sure we need to do that. Can I remember to do something like yes, that was hard to see some. Lead. See, let's see if we make it to 1050 Mac. It's still in this trade. I don't want. 1 minute. Sweet, sweet babies. $10.50 macro, we made it. Now, is it gonna take us out or what? What's the deal here? What are you saying, 10.50 Mac? You do. We get taken out here. I'll be waiting till post news, all right, for the next trade, which is after 10. Okay, we're taking that high, so we could potentially get a sell here, so be aware. Because we are in premium. So we do have a buy here as well, so because it's low. So, well, what am I reading? If I get in. Oh, would have been tagged in there already. Missed my entry, so no point in trying to buy it now. We have a buy here too, so it's 2 setups all in one. I'm only forgetting. What's that be like the trade of the morning? It's all right though. Mm, It's okay. We didn't get in, so let's just focus on this trade. Since we had to buy and then we had to sell. Already in the buy, so changing my life. Do what you gotta do. That was 30 seconds as well right here. Cool. 2, 3, 4. If we get fair value gap on the 1 minute here, I'll get in on the 1 minute.
Order filled.
Thank you. No problem. So this should keep price lower, doesn't it? And we have a sell here too. Don't market, please. Don't market me. Oh, I did say I'll wait for post trade, post news, so let's not jump into anything right now. The buy here too, so yeah, I'll wait. I'll wait. Alright. That- I know it would be a break even already. News about to come out. Should be keeping price down doing that. Something I need to pay attention to. Let's see here. Something I need to collect data on. Oh, hold on. I'm tripping. Buy took it, sheet price higher, not lower. What am I talking about? Oh no, yeah, no, I am. I was right. I'm not tripping. I wasn't tripping. I'm tripping just now when I just said, yeah, we took it down here. We're taking out down here. So yeah, should keep price lower. Sorry. I don't know why I thought I was wrong there for a second. I'm like, well, that doesn't make any sense. But it does. Two. Just a two. Well, I would have been taking out a break even on this trade. So I would have moved to break even here. It's a two no info. Baby, no worry. No, okay. All night. Let me search for you, baby, all night. And your friends and you know me all night. For a while. Night. I've been searching for you, baby, all night. I love me go through. Baby, midnight go through. All night. And then you know me for a while. For a while. I'm so for you, baby, all night. You'll be all night. Gal over the globe wanna up me, understand? I saw you on a magazine. That don't mean nothing to you. Yeah. To be discussed and once I allow for that. Azul champagne. First up, right? Fails 10 something. We get maybe something in my phone. Price partial if he wasn't taking out break even then. City boy. Lamborghini boy. I'm not religious. As a shaman, I'm eager to. Yeah, girls from uptown. Oh yeah, yeah. Jello. Oh yeah, yeah. I used to call myself an ugly you, but I ain't even an ugly you. I'm a sexy you, you understand? Wanna fuck me, you understand? Stop it. Star boy coming number one. African. Yeah, you gotta, you made me sing high note. You made me sing high note. You got a body, I know. Yeah, 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 yeah. There's people around me who need to change my. I just turn colder. Time I try. Without you, my charging. Mm, I don't feel that way with anybody. Tell me your secrets. I'm not messy. Penny, if I'm all those days. 9, excuse me, shit. 9:45, 9:30. Twice. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Got open range buy side and sell side in place. Mm. Oh my god, I'm on that part. Pretty. No shit. Okay. Go on the town. Okay. Oh god. I would be moving to break even on that cell model 2 then. Oh. First partial would be getting hit. Yeah, it would. This was the same as yesterday, no? When it failed, it went the other way. I'll have to take a look at yesterday and see. Bear with me. Actually, I can't do it right now. Shit. Might be getting a buy here, but it's in my low probability trading zone, so I would have to just pay attention. Oh no, yesterday it didn't fail. It just went okay, but and if it does fail, oh, fly with me, oh, fly. That's a lifestyle, yeah. Fly with me, Why is it not showing though? Mm. Bye. The last time. Oh, it's there. Why am I long by? Cause the last time you. One. Like the last time you. Maybe in here I can trade but like one, right? The low probability. Hmm. I did say what day was it? It was at 9:30. So pay attention here. I'm gathering the data. I'm gathering it. Hmm. I see you, don't worry. So she looked in my eyes as she designed. Don't keep the dream goodbye. So she looked into my eyes as she seen designer. The dream goodbye. Going banana. Pass me the, pass me the, pass me the tea, will make me. Pass me the goldie, make me slow. Pass me the cocoa. When I look into your eyes, all I see is your eyes. Happy colors. No time to worry. You know, time is of the essence. Come and give me blessings. Let it rain down now. We got no time to come get her. Feel on my fan now. And it went from the bed to the. And you give me. Never had like this before. Oh, want to give it all. I wanna give it all to you. Yeah, because you see, you're Gabbana. This is in the line on. Pass me the, pass me the team, really make me. Pass me the goldie, make me slow. Pass me the cocoa, the cocoa. That's crazy from here, you know. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention. You've hit for third partial on that. Back home. This is what I was waiting for. So, and if I missed it here, it gave me another opportunity here on the 1 minute time frame. Okay. Data banked. Banked. All right. Cool. I want to give it all to you. I don't care what the outcome is. Every time I'm here, I'm learning. Gucci and Gabbana. Got me going banana. Well, mama. So I have to change this to EQ, no trading zone, to low probability. Two, three, four.
Order filled.
One, two, five, 1, 2, 5. Yay, yay. 7, 6, 7, 5. So it should be 5, 7. Chưa again. Again. Bad way. Bad way. Tại can các bạn kêu mày. You know, 194 shows I'm juggling. Make a day straight, you're not my mate. I still want to know. You are here. Well, they give you one partial anyway. What a broke even here. It's a counter trend trade, so. Tell me, baby, are you done talking yet? Mr. Ronaldo. Really, it would have took what, two contracts to break even now? 2, 6, 2, 4, 50. If I offended you. And I'm in love with you. When the song came out, it was so played out. I hated it. Thank you. Now let's see if we get second partial on there. How many partials this trade gives us? Oh man. How I got chop with my baby, no chop. Mr. Ronaldo. Como Nintendo. I was happy like to be hearing Afrobeat on the radio, but it was so played out. But I support though. Brother phone. Cause I'm in love with you. Banana fallen. What's a loss out here? What's a loss out here? What is it? Really and truly, what is it? What is a loss? Only thing promised to traders, but it don't mean shit to me, dog. Oh, let me stop chatting shit. Let's see if we get another opportunity to pretty much, unless I get something at 1050 macro, I'm pretty much done here. I'm happy. I'm fine ending today on a drawdown. Cause what is a drawdown? What is that? Somebody explain that to me in layman's terms, please. It's something that I no longer fear. That's what it is. That's my layman's terms in terms of explanation. It's something I no longer fear. Oh, there's 3 phases to this one. I'm not gonna let you. Where I gonna do you, basa basa, baby? You trust in me. I'm not gonna do you, basa basa, baby? You trust in me. Skin tights. We are good day, ba. Them times when I know I get sick, you day, ba. So make a day about your life. You don't like music, there's something wrong with you, man. Ooh. It just has the ability to change your mood, you know? Or like resonate with your mood. Whatever you want it to do, it will do it. You show me love like my baby. You're the only one for me. Only one for me. You're the one that I need. Stay with me. Stay with me. And then you were meant to be Jules, baby. Now do you basa basa, baby? You trust in me. And I go you. The day about your life. Where I go there by. Them times when I know it. So make a day about your life. Where I go there by. Being by my side. Oh, na 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 na. Still would be in there because break even is here. Forever, baby. Make we bank cool like you. To love you, love you, love you. A good day, body like. We a good day, bye. Them times when I know again. Whoa. Not what I wanted. No, no, no. How many more? How many more? How many more? How many more? We don't put it on me now, my God. Shamalo, baby, now put it on me now, my God. Yeah. 1050 Mac, or dressed in black. Long time in a killer man, so we circle the ends and something else touch a man. See what bad love about. Shot fire every man I drop flat. Every man I drop. Brother done. Mother done. Still gonna be like Trinidad. Nobody you don't give it now, but you go rats. I'm right about shots fire every man. Travel marathon. Chef, man I drop that. Pokoro. 2, 3. I'm a drum angel. I'm make a no, they do. Last trade of the day here. If you enter the phase and go. Nobody know this one, man. Price. 2, 3, 4. Last February, yep, I'll be interested in that. How they do that? I've been living on. You ain't on all night your love. Then I'll go down. You think twice. So last February gap I'm interested in gaining. Got nothing to do with me here. If it goes without me, then it goes in it. Don't make a gig, my boy. Make a do it. Wanna put it in ya. Wanna see the future. It's Friday. Anyway. Old banger right here. It's the forever. Yeah, that's my last point of entry. Yeah. Well, I'm on fire today. Where are you? I'm going on your borders. The cookie. Yeah, पक्षी ऐसी पक्षी. Freaky girl on me once. Take some. Take some. You know you have a. Them boys ain't got no Barbies, bruv. Do it quick. Me a for. She a for. Freaky girl on me once. Move over. Take some. Take some. So vulgar. Mm-hmm. Mm. Freaky girl number one. Take some. Says our destiny. She says our destiny. She says our destiny. She says our destiny. She says our destiny. Figure next to me. Look like it's gonna go without us there, isn't it? It's gone, it's gone, it's gone. 30. Settle down, man. Do you want me? Your lifestyle. Oh, this was a setup in itself here. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that candle. That's probably why it didn't come all the way down in here. We do have a gap. We need to encapsulate the gaps. Mhm. We'll end it here today at 11:30. Why not go to 11:30? But if we don't get tagged in, scrap that. I'm just kidding. I kid. Okay, I was able to curl a little bit of it back, so I'll take that for today. Got no qualms with that. Keep loading. Let's see how this trade pans out. Probably would have crawled all of it back. Let's see. I'm not in there, so I can't really, Never mind. Check it on my Insta. So much, shorty, with another. Oh my goodness, she's a. I don't know what you want to hear from me. Cause she being on my mind constantly. I protect you overseas, me and you be like, you knock me down with your. I want that feeling toxic. Shawty just be ducking for the paycheck. I feel like love is overrated. Oh. So tell me why you got me so. So I'm feeling tune. Shawty just be ducking for the. I feel like love is overrated. Oh. So tell me why you got me so. Romeo and Juliet, if the families go along. Trinity, tell me what we gonna do. See, on holiday only slap one. There's a helicopter like hovering around it. I wonder what's going on. Not stress me. 10:50 macro done. It's harder to hold. Let's start with the phone with the dummy mom date. Denise, a year younger than me from East. She go to travel more. She want peace. She want to talk my gallery and peace. I don't know what you want to hear from me. But she been on my mind constantly. I bet take you overseas, being me. 11. I'm not feeling touchy. Shawty just be. I feel like love is. Shawty. So. I have no. Ooh, good catch there. No musical abilities. I can sing, I just can't sing well. Anyone can sing, like just like anyone can cook. Mm. Hello, don't touch my phone. Sometimes, please don't sign that. Boom, boom, boom. Me and B is great. I'm gonna do a trade performance review and leave this there. This is my last trade. If I get tagged in already, it's already set, so I can do a trade performance review. Just I won't be able to set another one, right? It's already set in place. So let's get that out there, DJ. Okay. I'm gonna do a trade performance just because I feel like I don't think we're gonna get tagged in. We would have been tagged in already if we're gonna get tagged in. They gave us another opportunity here. Just who was already in the trade or was actually partial and didn't pay attention to it, but it's all good. What I did well today is that I showed up, okay, got 1% better, gained experience, learned lessons. All right, I'm gonna take into my next trading session. Like, I'm getting like I'm understanding the 930 setup a little bit more, right? Well, like when it fails, it obviously telling you something. We need to come in. It wanted to come more into a discount, okay? Because obviously we're still in a buy program, even though it's looking like, well, it ain't done yet. It could possibly end bullish actually still. So where did we open the week? Opened here. Yeah, we're right by the week open. So I could close above this. But yeah, exercise discipline, okay, and sticking to my management rules and my procedures and protocols, okay. Just added this thing here in the low probability zone, which used to be a no trading zone, turned into a low probability zone, okay. Any trades that occur in here will be going in at a lowest leverage despite the the trend or not the trend, right? Whatever happens will be low probability. But second partial. That's not won't be getting hit yet. We'll leave the thing here. See if it gets hit while we're here. Um, what I feel short today would be wake up time, morning routine. Obviously, it's Friday. I don't usually do my morning routine, so that's the only thing I can think about right now. Chart wise, I didn't fall short anywhere, in my opinion. When I took that first loss, I said, okay, I'm gonna wait till post the news. I waited, didn't see nothing really that I wanted to partake in. Then I saw something here and engaged it, and that was it. That's how. hacking proof for next day, next trading session is just keep doing what I've been doing. Okay, keep sticking to the model procedures and protocols I've set in place. Okay, don't let short-term adversity deviate from what I got going on. I'm in a good spot. I'm repeating the same thing because it just is what it is. I just have to keep sticking to the procedures and protocols. Obviously, clearly, it's been showing to be the proof is in the pudding. All right, it's been working. All right, and I think you've seen the difference, DJ, in my trading style and me as a trader and the person that I'm becoming is insane. What is a loss in it? What is a loss? That would be the name of of this journal entry. What is a loss? What is a drawdown? All right. It's something I'm no longer fearful of. All right. So I'm happy and pleased with where I'm at. Okay. Don't look like we're gonna get tagged in this trade. I'm gonna get out of here soon. Second partial still hasn't been hit yet. So let's see if it gets hit. But let's see how we're ending the week. Original, na na na. Down 312. It's all good. No worries there. I like the look of this though. Obviously, there's gonna be red days. Can't avoid them. Didn't I? Yeah, sure. And then this week, 331 on this one. I'll take that. And down 312. So overall, what's that? About $400 on the week. Angelina Jolie. Indomie. My soul, my soul. You the melody for my soul. My can't leave you alone. Competi, competi, competition for melody. Cause you get everything what I need with a woman on. My lady, if you see my lady, yo. You know, say God design in a yellow. She na yeah, show. Hmm. I feel nobody if you contest you. If you don't like Afro beats, I don't know what to say to you, bro. We can't be friends. We can be associates, but I can't fuck with you for real. Because what's there not to love about Afro beats? So now it's between second partial getting hit and us getting tagged in the trade and we're done. So whichever one comes first. And it looking like second partial is coming first. I'm the only man she want. The only man she want. Very special. Mm. Relationship. You're the only man she want. It's Friday the 13th. Why, Lord? We're about to shut this shit down for the week. Second partial, let's go. Where am I going today? Monsoor Pace. Kickoffs at 7:30, meaning to be there for 6:30. They want to waste my days. I want to spend them on enjoyment. For the Hennessy, mommy, everyday party. I need to be leaving home at like around 5:30. Don't know how to show you my love without fucking up. Well, I am. No. I don't want nobody to be my mother. For this life, I want to be seller. Don't want to waste my days. I want to spend them on. It's plenty, oh. For the Hennessy, oh. Mommy, oh, mommy, oh, ah. Everyday party. Maybe I should go 2 in here. Well, right now it's 5:31, so we'll keep it like that. When we advance, obviously, it'll go up. We'll go 10, 5, 3. So then that will be 3. So as we improve and we get better and we gain more experience, obviously our we're not trading. Was it lot size? Contract size. Is it lot? Can you say lot in futures? I don't know, It's a good question. Anyway, as we obviously improve and we gain more experience, we'll adjust our risk, our leverage. Right now we're at 5, 3, and 1. So it's gonna be 3 leverages that we're using. So we'll go to 10, 5, 3, maybe. Yeah, it'll be incremental. So low probability trades will be soon will be 3, right? Which is my medium right now. So, but it's all right. Working our way up slowly but surely. Humble beginnings. All right, humble beginnings. We all have to have them. All right, we don't jump straight to luxury lifestyle. Gotta make little money, little change here and there, and take it and be content and be happy with it. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, let's see what next week's schedule looking like. Whoa, we got a full week. Oh no, we don't. It's a bank holiday, June 19th. All right. FOMC next week. Should be interesting. PM session should be there. 8:30. So I'm gonna pay attention. But even though today without the 8:30, it still panned out. It still panned out. Right? Gave you partial. Breaking out of dealing range to the buy side there. This trade here, if you had gone tagged in, our first exit would have been here because it's either -1 or high end or at the end of the dealing range, right? And end of the dealing range came first. But we didn't get tagged in, so don't need to worry about that. Getting a sell here in a premium. Oh yeah, finally hit consequent encouragement of the new not the new week. Well, new week opening gap and the open range gap, which were in the same spot. So we'll observe this sell here. And when we come back to close our day, if that happens today, because I have to leave at 5, then we'll see. We'll discuss a bit more about this trade. It might not even do nothing, But yeah, DJ. that is it from me. Another incredible week in front of these markets, getting better. All right, and as it shows, right? I'm not just talking out my ass, right? It shows that you can tell the numbers don't lie. The numbers don't lie. Recently, they ain't been lying. From where I came from to where I'm at now is insane, man. It's not. It's crazy. But DJ, the numbers don't lie. The numbers don't lie. They're in my favor right now. Friday the 13th, ending it down 144. Probably would have been able to crawl, get all of it back. I'd go in more contract on that trade, but it's all right. It is what it is. You live and you learn. I'm not pressed. I'm not too pressed. Anyway, like I said, right? What is a loss? What is a drawdown? But DJ, yeah, I'm gonna end it here. I did say it's 11:30, and I did say either one came out. I think this is gonna give us third partial. We're not gonna stay for it though. But what a trade! What a banger! 10:30, open range sell side. Bing bang biggity boy. She gave us another opportunity, but I wasn't even on that. I wasn't even paying attention to that still. But overall, very good morning. Very, very good morning. I'm getting like that 9:30 setup. Ooh, I'm collecting so much data on that. So when it failed here, as we established, it failed here when we took this low. We got taken out, 200 and something, $71 loss. Okay, this Bissy, she keep price lower, and as you can see, it did. So I'm good to come back in, and they used the news to get in there. Stop would be up here, so you still would have been in there. Breaking even here, first partial, and then it comes and takes you out break even after first partial, giving you first partial. Then we get a pro trend trade here. In my low probability zone. No longer no trading zone. It's a low probability zone. But as long as it comes below here, gives me a buy, I'm fine. As long as it's above and gives me a sell, I'm fine. It's just gonna be low probability, and we have procedures and protocols in place for that, right? So we have, like, in terms of risk wise, we'll be minimizing risk in this zone. But yeah, I'm very happy and pleased with my performance today. Can't complain. I know exactly what I'm doing when I come in front of the charts, exactly what I'm looking for, and that's exactly what I needed when I first go into this industry, and I have that now, and it's made my trading, like, every day is the same. Well, it's not the same. Different market, the candlestick is different. The setup is the same. It comes in obviously different variations, but like my routine wise is the same. I come to the desk, I do the same thing. I'm looking for the same thing. If it gives it to me, it gives it to me. If it doesn't, it doesn't. The outcome is out of my hands, right? My job is to show up and follow the analyst, let the analyst lead, and the trader just follows the analyst. And that's what I've been doing. Been showing up and doing my job. The outcome is out of my hands. All right. And that's it. Over time, obviously, the downside will take care, the upside will take care of the downside. All right, as I get more experience and get better in reading price action and understanding drawn liquidity in the higher time frames as well. So it's just, yeah, I'm I, I'm DJ, I'm very, very happy. I'm very, very happy and very pleased with where I'm at. All right, I have no complaints. All right, you just keep going, baby girl. Okay, one day at a time. Show up, try to get 1% better. All right, always show up. Even if you don't want to show, even if you don't feel like doing it, show up, show up, show up, show up, show up, and never give up. Never, 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 never. No, no. No. Mm. All right, DJ, I'll see you later to close my week out. If I don't get it done, I should be able to get it done. 4:30. I can start at 4:30 and just knock it out the park before I leave. Yeah. If not today, definitely tomorrow. All right. But either way, I'm gonna be. I have to close out my week, so I'll see you when I'm closing out the week, and we'll talk some more. All right. We'll talk some more, ramble on some more. But other than that, that's it from me. Another amazing week in front of these markets. Growing at 1% better. I can't complain, DJ. I can't complain. I love it. I love it here. Got the best job in the world. All right, DJ. I'll catch you on the flip side. I'm the trader. Before I sign out and ting them, this is how we're gonna be trading at I'm the Trader Capital. All right. So my goal is to I'm a trader now, but my goal is to become an asset manager, a fund manager. All right. I want to manage money and run a hedge fund. So that's why I'm very like strict because I know I'm going to be trading other people's money or I'm going to be managing other people's money. And I'm not going to do anything with other people's money that I wouldn't do with my own money. Okay. So that's why I'm like very like strict and like I'm trying to build the discipline muscle to be not discretionary based trading, but like rule based trading and very like systematic trading. Anything but discretionary, right? Because I don't want the emotions to come in and start doing wild things with other people's money. Like that's not me. I want to run a $1 billion hedge fund, and this is the foundation. Okay, this is the process. All right, this is gonna be our KPIs, how we're gonna trade, and like that's why I'm like very like I have to be strict on risk wise, right? Because what do investors want? They want to minimize risk and they want to maximize returns. So that's what I'm trying to show here that I can do, okay, and to show that people, you can trust me, right, to take care of your money. And I'm gonna treat it just like it's my own. But anyway, DJ, fuck it, let's go. That's just a little bit of my behind the story. That's what this whole thing is for, right? Just to the journey, right? The journey. And I'm gonna be able to look back at it when I have that $1 billion hedge fund and be like, whoa, remember back then when I was, down here like crawling and like grinding it each day and now taking losses left, right, center, finding myself in these markets. Yeah, just something for me to look back on just to see the growth, right, over time and to document the journey and obviously for generations to come be after me, all right, my family, whoever's family, everybody, right, the next generation to come after me, they can use these journal, right, to build something for themselves, right, to learn the market and yeah, just encourage them to get in this game because this is where the money game is played. So if you want money, this is where you need to be, and is the hardest, how's it, the easiest, hardest money you will ever make. That's facts. But anyway, DJ, I'm the trader signing out. Good luck, good trading, happy hunting.